Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes. Today's lecture will be delivered by Miss Shravanti Sriramoju.
So here we have the first method of determining the facility location, which is the equal weights method, in which there are several factors which are listed out here as F1, F2, F3, and there can be more also. But in this example we are showing only three factors, F1, F2 and F3, which will affect the facility location decision. So these are factors F1, F2 and F3, and several options for our facility can be: S1 is the first site, S2 is the second site, S3 is the third option for the site, and S4 is the another site option, fourth option. So we have several options, out of which we have to select one. So here we are assuming that all the factors will have equal weightage. So equal weights to all the factors are given, and each site is evaluated in terms of each factor. For example, if we look at the number 2 here, for the first site or S1, F1 is having 2 points, and F2 is having 3 points, and F3 is having 6 points. So these points are nothing but we are giving a particular rating to that particular site S1, ranging from 0 to 10. So in terms of, for example, F1 is the raw material, availability of raw material. So between 0 and 10 I am giving a rating to this particular site 1 in terms of raw material supply. So it is only 2, in the sense the raw material supply, this particular factor is giving a rating, showing a rating very much smaller. So when compared to S3, the site 3, the raw material supply is more. So based on how much factor is influencing this particular site, we are giving a rating between 0 and 10. So in terms of factor 1, site 1 has 2 points, and in terms of factor 2, S1 is having 3 points, and in terms of factor 3, S1 is given a rating of 6. So all these numbers are summed up and the site rating is given here. So 2 plus 3 plus 6 will be 11. So this is the rating given by including all the factors, or by considering all the factors. Similarly, for site 2, several ratings are given by considering each and every factor, and they are summed up. So all these ratings in terms of each factor is now summed up to get the final site rating, which is 5 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 12. So this is the rating for the second site option. Next we have again rated up the site based on each factor individually, and again summed up. So 9 plus 8 plus 8 will be 25. So this is the rating of S3, and again we have summed up the factor ratings for the site as 9. So based on this particular method, we have to choose that site whose site rating is maximum. That is, out of all the numbers 11, 12, 25 and 9, we have to choose the number which is highest, that is 25. So this particular number corresponds to site 3. So this is the exact location of our facility based on the method equal weights. So we call it equal weights because all the factors which are taken into consideration are given equal weightages. So based on this method, site 3 or S3, whose site rating is 25, is selected.
Thanks for watching. If this video was of help to you, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.